Hey guys, I was nominated by Josiah Lloyd to do a video about how Apex has impacted my Unbound experience, so here goes. Yeah, my favorite thing about Apex every year, so we're all getting our degrees, taking college classes, studying for tests, etc., etc. And a lot of what we're studying right now isn't necessarily applicable to our lives. It's just sort of stuff that we have to get through to get our degree and move on. But every year at Apex, the content is designed to be the opposite of that. So the sessions and topics are chosen based on what we as a student community are talking about right now and what we want to learn about. So what the speakers talk about, what students discuss, and just the overall experience of the event is built on what the community wants. And that's really evident when you're there. It is the student event and that's what it's built on. And just from the perspective of a cabinet member, because I've been to Apex 3 times, twice as a student, once as student/cabinet, and my experience as on the cabinet has proven that's really intentional. Building Apex based on what students want, that's something that we talk about every year, and it's a serious part of planning Apex is answering the question what are students talking about right now, what questions do they have, and how can Apex answer those things this year. And so it's a foundational part of what Apex is, and I just think that's really, really cool. So anyway, rabbit trail. But yeah, Apex was basically the first thing I did when I enrolled in Unbound. I think I was in the middle of my first class when I went in 2015, and it was the best introduction to the community / kickoff to my Unbound experience ever. Seriously, I was super skeptical about the community before I went to Apex, and it pretty much killed that skepticism. For one, it proved that the community was real, which was nice, and it also proved that it was as awesome as everyone talked about. So if you haven't been to Apex before, you should come. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised by how it impacts you, and if you've been to Apex before, you should come back because you know exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, so that's how Apex has impacted my Unbound experience, and I would love to hear how it's impacted yours. So tag 3 people, Ellie Smith, Sarah Johnston, and Ryan Del Rio. Post your video, share your Apex story, tag 3 friends. Yeah, can't wait to hear it, and I will talk to you guys later. Hope you have an awesome day.